All right, just picked up this bad boy. It's a 2002 CR125. It's don't really know much about it. I think the tires are from like 2014 or something. It's got no compression. It looked like somebody at one point cared about it. They did some upgrades, the swing arm black. It's got this fancy steering stabilizer on it. I think it's probably blown out, but anyways, gonna tear it down, get into the motor, find out what's wrong with it. Stay tuned. Well, here's my first clue why this thing might be blown up. Air filter looks super clean and doesn't have a drop of oil on it. So we'll keep going. Well, air box completely filled with dirt from lack of oil in the filter. And let's go over to the cylinder. It's got some scoring. I don't know, you can see that. It's not too bad, but it's still gonna need to be replated. The head has a tiny bit of degradation, I guess you could say. Not bad. And we get the piston itself, a little bit of scoring. Sure, it wasn't great, but you look down inside here, that is trash. The crank bearing is garbage. It tore up something in there. It moves, but not easily. So there we go, full rebuild coming up. Also, the Kickstarter is very sticky. I don't know if anyone knows, comment on that, why it might be so tight.